Okay, guys.
Give me some light.
Hold on. Sorry.
You're good. Give me some. There you go. All right, the Grand Poobah.
Wait, hold on. Not yet. So
this is only 36 compared to the 96 shots that we just encountered.
well, look.
Okay.
Well, hold on.
Let me see the light.
Wait, not yet.
Well, let me see the light. Let me see if it says face this direction.
I think we all know. Right up here.
No, this is but it always tells you.
Here, I gotta.
Okay.
Wait, not yet, Dad. I'll tell you when. Okay, so last video I.
No, this is in our driveway a little.
Okay, so hold on. So last video I accidentally clicked the back button, which made it stop the video. So yeah. So I guess this video or this part isn't gonna be very long. So yeah.
This one's called New York Salute
finale.
Finale. New York Slate
Salute.
Alright, where's the...
Okay, I'm gonna take the light away so it's actually... Dad, you know what would be so cool if we got up on the roof?
Okay, back up.
Oh my god, it's really cold. Sorry. Oh! That filled up the whole screen.
Nice,
Oh my God!
So cool.
$120 worth spent. Come on, bedtime.
I hope one shot didn't go off.
You hope one shot didn't go off?
Yes! What?
Flashlight. Don't step, just flashlight.
Face right in it, not you.
Stupid face, ass! Alright, every shot went off. Dope ass. Look at that. New Yorker Salute Finale. Highly recommended.
Yeah.
Dope
As you saw-
firework. That was,
As you saw at the end, that filled up the
That
whole
was cool.
screen.
So all of them went off.
That filled up.
Yeah, right.
That filled up the whole screen. So, hey mom, next time on the 24th.
Right there in that little box.
Hey mom, on the 24th, can we please get that New Yorker?
No, we're
again?
not getting shit for the 24th other than sleep and possibly ridiculousness marathons. Get that out of my face.
Stop! Well then, don't come behind me. Okay, well I guess that was the video. So, yeah. Also, here, put that dumper.
Come in now.
If you can see that right there.
Woo!
Oh yeah, my dad still has those. I forgot. Also, there's the. Where is it? There we go.
oh, flashlight.
It looks like a
flashlight,
noodle.
hurry, Flashlight. I lost one. Oh, flog. It's over here. Like seriously, I lost one.
Ow! Ow!
It hit me too.
Right in my ear.
Yeah,
But I
same.
still lost one.
I'm trying to help you find it, but you can't.
I'm not gonna help you if you do that.
Okay, fine. Don't help.
Is it in the grass, maybe?
What?
I said you are missing out on Boys to Men. Down
Boys
in
to Men,
Tennessee.
ABC, BBD.
There's a God.
You're the oldest I've ever met.
Okay, well, anyways, I'm gonna show you the moon. Chill! Went all the way down here because my dad's being a bum. There's the moon. From what I can see, you can actually see part of the circle. Actually, you can see it fully. But yeah, it looks like a noodle on camera. But in real life, it's not. So, yeah. Well, I guess, so yeah. The moon's pretty dope, huh? Moon's pretty dope. Oh, that was zoomed in on my face. Yeah, so, see you on the next video. Because I don't know what it's gonna do, but yeah. But we do have that. I really don't know what we're